Without you, without you. You are somebody that I don't know. You're being so loud. Don't mind me, I'm watching you tip from the closet. Wishing we can't compare. Break up with your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. Don't care. With your girlfriend. Break up with your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I'm bored. Don't forget. Up with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you when my out loud, but maybe we find. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little like this, everything you lose and burn up. Ashes, and everything I love. Wherever we're standing, I won't take you for granted. I won't take you for granted. Give me all of it. I need all of it. Let me see you dance. Take control on me just for the night. But if I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see that. No, it's real. Can you feel the pressure beating? You are beautiful, like a dream come alive, incredible. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song. Gonna wind up dead. Needle in the bed, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the bed, gonna wind. till the end of time. So you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? It's always tease, tease, tease. You're happy when I'm on my knees. One day is fine and next is black. So if you want me off your back, well come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now?